Greetings to all students. Today I will teach you poem number 3, The Clothes Shine. Okay, so now read it. So first stanza is this. Hand in hand they dance in row, hither, thither and to and fro. The poetess Charcolate Duet Cole is talking about the clothes hanging on the clothes line. Flip, flap, floop, and away they go. Flirting creature as white as snow. To her, they look as they are holding hands, standing in a row and dancing merrily. She compares them to the white birds that fly in the sky. Now next stanza is this. Like restive horse, they caper and prance. Like fairy tale witches, they wildly dance. Restive means someone who take without rest. Okay. So here the poetess compare the clothes hanging on the clothesline to restless horses that are leaping and galloping with happiness. Round in front, but hollow behind. They shiver and skip the merrily march wind. As the clothes further, they form a bowl-like shape that is round at the edge and hollow in the center. The poetess also feels that the clothes are shivering and skipping in the wind. That is very happy during the month of March. So this is scene created in the month and season is spring. Okay. Now next stanza is. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. Without specifically standing, the poetess there say that once she saw someone dance excitedly and with the great struggle, she freed herself. Okay. Who want to free herself? A piece of clothes want to free herself. Now next line. Then leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird and no one can find her. Then leaving the pegs and the clothesline, okay, she flew like a bird so far that no one was able to follow her and no one can find her. Next line is, I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping, flapping and flopping for fun. Continuing with the suspense, the poetess compares that someone to a shining sail. In the poetess tells that she was flipping, flapping and flopping away with happiness. Who is flapping, flopping? A piece of cloth is flipping, flapping and flopping away with happiness. Now next lines. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in the ditch or drowned in the sea. She flew away. Okay, she flew away so fast that nobody knows where she went and where she could be. The poetess wonders whether she is hiding in a ditch or may have drowned in the sea. She is imagining only. Okay, now last line is, she was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. In this line, she is telling about the piece of clothes. What is the piece of clothes? That is handkerchief of the poetess. Okay, so it's only in the last 2 lines of the poem that the poetess reveals that she was talking about her handkerchief, okay, that flew away. She is sure that it will not come back and it is last forever. She is telling about it, okay. The poetess begins the poem with a happy note, okay, of closing dancing on the clothesline, but she ends it with a sad note of her handkerchief flying away and never coming back. Okay, I hope students you enjoyed this poem. Okay, thank you class.